Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing a haul with you all. This haul is from the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale 2024. I shopped like a very few products from the haul. Actually, I did a recommendations video. I that, but at the time of shooting, we realized that the lighting of the video is very bad. Like it's too dark, nothing is visible, and the audio is bad and everything. It didn't work out. After that, I fall sick, so I couldn't reshoot that. And yeah, let's get started. The first on the list are from ColourPop. I bought two products from this brand. One is their Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer, and the other one is ColourPop Lip Oil. Normally, I like tinted moisturizers whenever I'm going out or whenever I have any kind of client meetings. Then I use tinted moisturizers. So this is a tinted moisturizer from this brand. From the time ColourPop is launched in India, I am thinking to get some products from this brand. So they are offering a 25% off on the entire product library from this brand. So I got this product. This is in the shade 12W and it is exact match for my skin tone. Today I'm applying it, so let me know how it is looking. And this has some like pretty cool ingredients like hyaluronic acid and stuff. I have not read through the ingredients of the product, but it is famous because it has hyaluronic acid and it is very hydrating. So yeah, it's very hydrating and it feels very lightweight on the skin, but it won't give you any coverage. Like if you have a little bit of dark spots or discoloration, then it won't hide it or anything. It will just give you like an even toned look on the skin. So if you want that even toned look, if you are going for work, office, then you want something very light coverage that can give you even toned look, then this is a great option. But if you are looking for something that can like act as concealer, that can give you a little bit of coverage, then this is not the one for you. This is a tinted moisturizer and it won't give you any coverage. It just makes your skin look even toned and good like. And after that we have this lip oil. This is a very hydrating lip oil and the shade is also very beautiful. They have three shades. I got the shade Bengal, which is like this beautiful maybe mauve pink kind of color, but it won't give you that much color on the lips. It adds a hint of color, but it makes your lips look very glossy, very full, very plump. So I love tinted lip balms and lip oils in general that has a little bit of tint. So personally I'm loving this product. Since the day I got this product, I'm applying this daily during the daytime. So a great lip oil from ColourPop. As I mentioned, I got these products for 25% off, and on the third day or fourth day of the sale, they announced buy one get one off on this ColourPop product. So I paid a little extra. So yeah, that's it with the ColourPop products. And after that I bought this set from Laneige. It is their 4-piece set, and I got it at around 45% off or something, and I got these 4 products for 1500 rupees, which is very good. So in this we have their cream skin Sera Peptide toner and moisturizer. So it is basically their cream skin reformulated cream skin toner. This is more light and more hydrating version of their old one. In fact it is very hydrating and it feels moisturizing on the skin. So sometimes what I do, I just apply this toner and directly apply the sunscreen without even applying the moisturizer, especially because it is the summertime. But if you have oily skin, I think you won't like this product because it has that moisturization factor to it. But I love this product. I have combination skin, and especially for nighttime or sometimes even daytime, I'm enjoying this product, and I'm sure in the coming winter this can be of great help for my skin. So that's with the first product from Laneige. And coming to the second product, we have one lip treatment balm. I think this is a viral product from them. I have no idea, but I have seen it somewhere like the shorts and all on YouTube. So this is a very thick balm. I love it. It hydrates and moisturizes the lips like anything. But for the initial 30 seconds or 1 minute, it is giving this slightly tingling sensation on my lips. I don't know if it's normal with this lip balm or I am the only one that is getting that tingling sensation, but it gives the tingling sensation for about 1 minute and then it vanishes. But it is super hydrating and super moisturizing and keeps my lips nourished for a longer period of time. So a very good lip balm from Laneige. And after that we have this water sleeping mask. This mask is a very light cloud gel kind of moisturizer, and it smells like Pond's cold cream, like toned down version of Pond's cold cream. It just hits you with that nostalgia feeling of your childhood home when you are using Ponds or Vaseline during the winter times. It gives such good vibes. So I instantly fell in love with the fragrance and feel of this product. As I already told you, I fall sick in during the recovery time. I thought of doing something that will uplift my mood. So I thought, let's open the Nykaa boxes and let's see the product. So then I applied this moisturizer on my skin. At that time my skin is very dull and dehydrated due to the fever, but when I applied this product my skin is looking like it is very hydrated and very healthy. So I kind of get it why it is such an overhyped product, and I love it because but it has a lot of fragrance and this all other fragrance components like linalool, limonene kind of stuff which are known for irritating the skin, but as of now it is not irritating my skin product. So right now I'm using this non-stop during the daytime, and this fragrance is very nice. And after that we have lip sleeping mask in the variant berry from Laneige. Earlier also I tried this lip sleeping mask, but then I felt that this is not a great product or anything like that, but now I am kind of liking it. I don't know why, but yeah, it is a good product. It is keeping my lips very hydrated and moisturized throughout the night, so it is kind of a good product now. I think I am liking it. So yeah, that's with the this is like I think this is a viral product from Laneige. So I kind of see why Laneige products are so popular. Like the kind of feel and the kind of effect they adds to the skin is very superior when compared with other products. So I'm really excited. I'm not very serious about Laneige products till now. And after that I got two lip products. One is from this brand Swiss Beauty. This is their bold matte lip liner in the shade Bobby Brown number 14. I got this lip liner for 65 rupees, which is a great deal considering like how it is gliding on the lips. It is kind of buttery and it glides on the lips very well, and it leaves such a nice pigment. So I think great lip liner. They have like a couple of shades, like 12 to 15 shades I guess. So I think you can get some good lip liners from this brand. And after that we have one lipstick from Maybelline. I am like a huge fan of these formulations. These lipsticks look glossy but still they are transfer proof. Earlier I had this shade called Irresistible. Now I have this shade Witty, 40 Witty. It is like a very toned down mauve pink kind of color. So I like it. And after that I got this strawberry dew tinted sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA4 plus from Dot & Key. They have three tints, like three different shades in this one, and I selected the middle shade. And they have one more shade like after this called base. I think that is the deepest shade, and this shade it suits my skin, but it is leaving like gray cast here on my around my mouth area and under eye area. So I might have gone for the last shade, but I don't know. But other than that it is looking great. So I'll give you like a proper detailed review of the ingredients and everything. So as of now, very light texture, blends into the skin very well. It is just leaving a little bit of grayish shade under my eyes and around my mouth where I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation. There definitely it is leaving a little bit of grayish tint, but other than that it is a good sunscreen. And with that they gave this Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash as free, but I have not tried it yet. I'll try it and I'll let you know. And I ordered this henna from Nat Habit. It is a pre-soaked henna paste. They are soaking it in black tea and a couple of herbs like amla, shikakai, triphala, manjista, rosemary, bringrass, and all those ingredients. So earlier I ordered this henna from Kama Ayurveda. So it's like about 800 rupees for 200 grams or something, which is very expensive because it won't last me for around 2 uses also. It won't last. I think I got this product for both the products for around 350 rupees or something like that. So I got around 400 grams of product for 350 rupees on sale. So 350 rupees or 300 rupees on sale. So I got these products, and I think I can use it for 2 to 3 times the entire 2 packets. So if I like these products, then I'll try other products from the same brand. And after that, I ordered one body mist from Bath and Body Works, their rose variant, but um, they did not deliver that product to me. Every day I'm getting a message that it is out for delivery, and after that I'm getting a message like they cannot contact me or something. I'm thinking to order this Garnier Vitamin C. They released a night Garnier Night Vitamin C serum, something like that. The ingredients are kind of like they are good. Other than the fragrance, the other ingredients are good. Like they have added pure vitamin C in the formulation. It is very rare to see pure vitamin C in Indian vitamin C serums. If you see. If you see at the deconstruct vitamin C serum or the minimalist, they normally use 3-o-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a derivative of vitamin C, but this serum has pure vitamin C, so I'm thinking to try it. So please do let me know your thoughts, whether if you want me to try that serum or not. So this is like a little haul, everything I got from this. No, I got these 4 products from Dr. V skincare line. Actually, they have 5 products in the line. The other one is this retinol serum. It's like 1500 or 1600 rupees for 30 ml of product, and I'm a retinoid user. So I thought there is no point of me getting a retinol serum for that price point. So I did not place an order for that. But this one is the Skin Renew Peptide Anti-Pollution Face Wash. All the products are fragrance free, and they focused mainly on adding of peptides, ceramides, niacinamide, salicylic acid in the formulations to support skin barrier function and to keep the pores clean. And this has mild surfactants, gel kind of texture, cleanses my skin very very well without drying the skin. So if you have combination to oily skin, you will love it. Even if you have dry skin also, you can happily try this product. And I think I have uploaded the detailed reviews of all the 4 products. I'll leave the link in the description box. And after that, we have one toner. It is called Skin Renew Peptide Hydrating Toner. I thought it's a purely hydrating toner, but it has 1% salicylic acid and 5% niacinamide in the formulation, and also we have 0.5% or 1% peptides. So it's a very hydrating toner. If you want a salicylic acid based toner to exfoliate your skin, to keep your pores clean, if you have oily acne prone skin in general, then it would be of great help for your skin type. And after that, we have Skin Renew ABC Peptide Exfoliator Serum. It has 10% AHAs, 1% BHA and 2% vitamin C in the formulation. Again, it has very light gel kind of texture, and it adds such a nice glow to my skin without irritating my skin or without giving the tingling sensation. So if you are looking for a good exfoliating serum, you can definitely give it a try. And after that, we have Skin Renew Barrier Repair Peptide Moisturizer. It's I thought it's like a light to medium weight moisturizer, but it has definitely some amount of occlusivity to it. So if you have oily skin, I think you won't enjoy this product that much, especially during this hot humid weather. I have combination skin, and I use this product during night time in this summer. With this product, it sweats initially, like for about 10 to 30 seconds it sweats a little on my skin. So if you have oily skin, it can even sweat more on your skin. So these are the 4 products that I got from Dr. V. It is not from the sale. I ordered from the Tira website. They are available both on Nykaa, Tira, and they are available on the Dermaco website also. I leave all the links of the products in the description box. So if you want to check them out, you can check them out. Yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care.